All right, I have the Samsonite Elevation Plus Suitcase. This is a carry-on suitcase that I got right here, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about it. You see it has these nice wheels at the bottom right here. That's one thing I like about it. It has dual wheels at the bottom on all sides of it right here. So this right here is a hard shell case. Now, the one thing that I really like about this is that it has a compartment door. Now look at this. I'm going to press this. Look at that, that opens up. Now this is one of the main things that people do not like about hard shell suitcases, is that if they have items that they want to tuck into their suitcase, they have to actually unzip all of it to tuck it in. Now, Samsonite try to solve this problem with this button that you press right here. All right, I press that, it pops open, and voila. It has enough space in here for a laptop. You can place your laptop in there. Here's another pocket right in here. There's also a zipper right here to slide items in, slide items down in there, and they have a toiletry bag that comes in here. Now this is right here is only tied together with some Ziploc type of thing. So you take this out and you can move this toiletry bag wherever you want to. I'm gonna try to unzip this with one hand so you can see this a little bit better. So inside of the toiletry bag, there's tissue, of course. Maybe use this. Maybe they put this in here just in case you don't want to use the toilet paper on the airplane. I don't know. But I'm gonna put that in there. You look in here, it's a toiletry. You can keep a couple of items in there. A lot of items, actually, a rather large size toiletry bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this right here. Now, one of the things that I like about this is that it comes with a lock right here. You can adjust the combination lock to whatever you want to. It's a TSA approved lock, so they can come in if they need to and get inside of it easily with their TSA key. Now, this right here, how you lock this, you can lock it so you can't open up the front. And then also, too, you can take this, pull up the zippers. Actually gonna set this down on the side. Take the zippers. Take the zippers and you come all the way up here like this. Gonna stack this up. And you put in the zippers in here. And this is how you lock it, okay? You go ahead and lock it like this right here. All right, so I'm gonna put that in there. Put that in here into the slot, slides in nice and gracefully, and then you can move this so you can't open it in. So the combination is preset at 000. You can go ahead and adjust it, the combination if you want to, using that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back to 00, but as you can see, you can't get in if the lock is applied. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and set it back to 000. All right, now once I've done that, I can go ahead and press this, pops open. I'm able to access the inside. Now, before I get to the inside and show you the compartments on the inside, let me show you about the handle that comes on here. So it has a telescopic handle right here, raises pretty high, okay? So you can go ahead and wally your way down the aisle, the airplane, through the airport, as well as you can just simply just push it along like here. It can be on 4 wheels. So you have the option of going on 2 wheels or 4 wheels, and it moves around gracefully. Look at it, it's dancing around like a ballerina. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. Now you put it down by simply pressing the top of the Samsonite button right here. It goes down. And now if you're shorter, you can have it adjusted for a shorter length right here, okay? But if you want to put it all the way back down, go all the way down, it's down, and there is a nice handle right here for picking it up on the go. There's also a handle on the side. So if you want to be cool and carry it around like it's a briefcase or something, you can use this handle. So I'm going to set this up. Now I'm going to look to the inside. All right, so this is the Elevation Plus right here. See that right there? It says push right here, a laptop, integrated laptop holder. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unzip this unzip this, and we're gonna look inside, and we're gonna see what Samsonite is really doing out here in the streets. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now, voila, look at this. Look at all this space in here. All right, now let's talk about this right here. Okay, so here is space in here for your luggage. You can put it down in there, and there comes compression straps. So you can place this piece right over here, and you snap this into place. There's one on here, and there's one on this side. Now, these are compression straps that can be tightened up to compress your clothing to add a little bit more room with inside of the suitcase. So I'm gonna unhook this, and in with this compression flap is an area where you can also put some more stuff. It's pretty cool right there. Now, this is the space on this side. On the other side, it comes with pockets on this side right here. Now, look at this. There's a clear see-through pocket right here. Has a pocket up here, and here is the main area in here. Now, it's a little bit smaller. A lot of people saying it takes away too much space, but it depends on how you like to travel. Some people, the biggest suitcase will never be big enough, so they're gonna have an issue regardless. So, comes with the space right here. You can also put items in this side. Now, the door where you you could put the laptop in is behind this right here. Now, this is soft and cushiony right here. All right. So this is the area, and then you can put things in the item in there, and then close it back up like that. So you have those right here. What is this? A little treat that they put in the bag or something. All right, so that's silicone gel, and this is the Elevation Plus. Now, this is instructions on how to adjust, reset the TSA lock. Now, I'm gonna go over this with you. Okay, so we know how to adjust the combination lock, because this is gonna come in handy when you need to set the lock, because I'm pretty sure you don't want your combination to be 0, 0, 0. All right, you want it a little bit more complicated, and I'm gonna help you do that. All right, so let's go ahead and get over here and see how to do this. So right here, it's showing us the reset button and the dials. You press the reset button, and then it says slide the button left to unlock. Okay. One, it says turn the dials to the current opening combination 0, 0, 0. Press the reset button with a pin or another tool until you hear a click. Okay. Till you hear the click. When you hear the click, turn the dials to your desired combination. Push the button C. Where's the button C? This button C. Okay, there's the button C right here. Push the button C in the direction of the arrow until you hear the click again. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. The lock is now set to your desired combination. You may change your combination and reset your lock again by following the above steps. Keep your personal combination in a safe place for future reference. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna walk you through that right here. Just gonna put this back in here. Everything is in its place and back in its place. And I'm gonna zip up the suitcase just enough so we can see this. And I'm going to put the zippers in the lock. I'm gonna lock it down. All right, so I'm gonna put it down in the lock, and I'm gonna get a pin, okay? I'm gonna get a pin really quick, and we're gonna go ahead and do this, okay? So I'm gonna get a pin. All right, so now I have a pin, and I'm going to reset the lock right here. Okay, so it says put it to 0, 0, 0, which I did, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and press the reset button. Press the reset button. So 0, 0 is the default combination. You want it to the default combination. Press that button. All right. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to set it to a more complicated combination, so people won't be able to get it back. So I'm going to change it to something more complicated. So I'm going to change it to, let me see, 1, 1, 1. All right, so now that I've changed it to a more complicated combination, I'm going to go ahead and set that. Now, remember what they said. In order to set the combination, once you put it over here, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to button C, which is this right here, and you're going to press it to this direction towards the number. So I'm going to go ahead and press it. So it is set to 1, 1, 1. Did you see what I just did now? The reset button popped up. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to show you that it is now set. All right, so I'm going to put it in place, put that into place, put this one into place, and now I'm going to move this, and you see I've just moved it to something a little bit easy, like a easy combination, 2, 3, 2, and you see I cannot open it. Now, in order for me to open it, I'm going to go to the combination that I just set. I'm going to whisper it so no one hears it. 1, 1, 1. All right, so that is the combination that I set. Now watch it open just like it's a magic show. Watch this. Boom. Boom. It popped open. That's how you set the combination on the Samsonite suitcase. And that is my review of the Elevation Plus by Samsonite. Great suitcase. I hope you like it. Thanks a lot for watching.